Alright, today what we're going to do is we're going to create a section view of your building. So on your drawing it says typical section. So basically you've done a lot of this already because of the modeling part of it. But now we just need to add some details to it. So we need to add the bottom plate. We need to add the top plate and then the two LVL headers. So right here are the LVL headers at the door. And then here is the termination of the bottom plate. All right. So in Revit, what you're going to do is you come over to Revit, and you're going to have to try and grab one of these walls in here. So I'm going to go up to View and Section. And then over here, make sure it's yours might be defaulting to building section, but make sure it says wall section. So you come over and click on your building, and then click here. All right. Make sure this guy extends past through your building, and then click on the outside. Now, in your project browser, you should see sections, so you double click on sections. So here is the section view of where the garage door is. All right. Now this is your cropped region, so you can extend and subtract the crop region. So that's fine. So I'm just going to leave my crop region here. I don't like seeing my crop region, so I come down and hide the crop region. All right. Now again, this is a section view. Here's the garage door. There's the roof, here is your fascia, and here's your soffit, and obviously there's your gutter. Alright, and then this guy is the inside of your door, obviously. Alright, so what I want to do is I'm going to start detailing these components here. And again, this is your 4-inch slab, there's your grade beam, and then here's my driveway. And then, of course, this material down here is considered the earth or the ground. Don't worry that yours doesn't have this yet. Alright, so under Annotate, you go to Annotate, Component, you go Detail Component, and then you're going to go Load Family, and then you go to Detail Items, and then Division 6, Wooden Plastic. Now under here is the first one's wood framing. And I'm going to cut section. Alright, so you double click on nominal cut section, and we are using a 2x4 for the plates. So hit OK. And you can say rotate after placement. So I'm going to click on this guy and let me rotate. Now obviously it didn't end up in the right spot, which is fine, so I'm just hitting escape. Click on your component, click up here to move, and I'm going to move from that point to that point. Alright, and there's your 2x4 bottom plate. Now, we need a 2x4 top plate, so I'm going to come up here to copy, and I'm going to say I want to copy from that base plate, and then I'm going to go all the way to the top of my wall, and then place one there. Alright, so that's the 2x4 top plate. Now, you also need in here, let me zoom out, is these two 11 7/8 Versa lambs. They're glue lambs. Right here, it's a big header. So come back up to Revit. Now again, you go back into Detail Component and Load Family. And again, you're going to go into Detail Items. Under wood and plastic, this is glue laminated construction. Oh, nope, not that one. That doesn't look right. Alright, so it's under shop fabricated structural wood. LVLs, that's what they're called. LVLs, the laminated veneer lumber. So you double click on this guy. And I don't know why mine's not loaded because I've already loaded it. So right here is the one. It's a 1 3/4 by 11 7/8. Alright, I'm just going to place two of them out here. Then I'll just move them in place. So click on it. to move that corner. We'll go to that corner. Move there to there. Alright, there's my LVLs. Now I need to get to this other guy in there, the 2x4 below that. So again, I'm going to go copy my base point, and here's my new base point. Alright, so here's my LVL header, or top plate, and then the bottom 2x4 termination for that. Okay, now to keep detailing this section view, what you need to notice here is the roof pitch. Here's the overhang dimension. The rest of this stuff is just notes. And then we have the ceiling, the floor to ceiling height dimension. So when we go into Revit, again, that's under, so if you're under annotate, and we want to annotate the spot slope, that's our triangle. Yours is probably going to default to arrow, so click on triangle, click on your roof, and then you click outside of it to lock it in. Now, obviously it's way too large, so I'm going to just hit escape, select it, grab this grip, and bring the size of it down. Now, as you look at this section view, these notations are way too large, so the scale of this view is off. Now, if I go to the RP Garage, notice right here, here's the scale of it. It's a 1/2 inch equals a foot, and that's kind of standard for section views. So I'll go back into Revit, come down here and change it from the 3/16 or whatever yours is at, 1/2 inch equals a foot. Alright, now things look much scale the right size for this view. I'm going to bring this up maybe a little bit more, so it's a little bit more, so it's a 412 pitch. Then I'm going to give my overhang dimension, so I'll go up here to aligned. I'm going to place the dimension from that face to this face, and there's my 2 feet. Alright. Here's your 8'4" so if you want to place a dimension here, this is a good idea to put there to my ceiling height. There's my 8'4". Okay, you'll notice there's quite a few notes on the section view. So for instance, here's 2x4 treated bottom plate. So under Revit, again, you'll go into annotate and then go note text, Alright, so yeah, obviously my text is way too large. So if I double click on it, I highlight it. Problem is here, I think since I don't have Microsoft Word here, I don't have a different font size and I can't scale it. So you guys, you're going to be able to change the size of this. So you need to go through the rest of this section view and add all these notes here. Aluminum soffit fascia, 2x6 subfascia, 4-inch concrete slab, grade beam around the perimeter, and so on and so forth. So add all those notes. Your section view looks like this section.